Hi! Welcome to Accom Click. Now you can create promotions that can increase your revenue. Let's follow this tutorial. First, go to the Promotion tab and click Registration. Then add new promotions here. Now insert your promotion title. Let's say we create 30% off last minute deals. As for promotion type, you can click for last minute promotion. Also, you can use other promotions such as early bird, minimum nights, room upgrade, free night stay, or normal promotion. Now you can choose your room that you want to promote. And then, insert your promotion booking date from when to when. Don't forget to insert your promotion stay date too. Now set up your promotion on how many days you want it to be valid. You can set up your discount type either by rate or by percentage. Now insert your discount value. Want to apply your promotion for weekday or weekend? You can select yes or no if you don't want to apply. Then insert your cancellation policy here. And remember to active your status. Then click Insert button. Ta-da! Your promotion is now ready. If you want to apply the promotion to all of your room, you can select here. Scroll down and click the another room that you want to apply. Then click Generate. All your promotions is now activated. Accom Click. Be smart, pay less.